Okay, so this video is going to explain how to begin to grade the form that your students just took. So just to review, we learned how to create a Google form and the different tools on the different toolbars within Google Forms. We learned how to assign a Google form within Google Classroom, and now we're going to learn how to grade it and give students their grades. So first of all, here you'll see the Practice Teacher Academy quiz, and I actually did assign this to my students. 22 of them took it, and 4 of the students did not take it. So where am I going to find this data? Okay, in your drive you will see several files. First of all, I have highlighted the actual Google form, the one that you actually, where you create the questions. A few files up, it's a spreadsheet. It's going to have a little green icon next to it, and it says practice form for academy class, and it says the word responses in parentheses. So if you click on that, this is going to give you all of the responses. As you can see, their username is actually already recorded because you checked that box when you were originally creating the form. It says automatically click their username, and that's now where it shows. It also has the timestamp. You created the first 2 fields here, first name and last name. Do not forget to do that because you're not going to want to look up the students' IDs. You're going to want to have their names. And then you have all of the questions here. So this is the spreadsheet that it gives you. So just to show you, it has the questions at the top and it has all of their answers. So again, this is just for multiple choice. It would keep it for any type of questions. So if you had multiple response or if you had short answer, it would all come in this spreadsheet. So where do you find the spreadsheet? It can be found in your drive, or another place to find it is within the document that you created it. You can click on responses. Okay, if you click this green icon over toward the right, if you click that, the spreadsheet will also open, so you can get to it either way. Okay, so now we have all this data, and this is good information, but it would be good if we would be able to grade it. So what we're going to do first is you're going to go to your add-ons at the top menu, and you are going to actually click Get Add-ons. All right? So there's several different functions that we can add onto spreadsheets. The very first one, obviously it's one of the biggest, is Flubaroo. So if it doesn't show up, you can even type in Flubaroo if it doesn't pop up for you, and likely it'll say I spelled it wrong. That's what happened there. And then when you go to install it, I believe it'll say install or add here. I already have it installed, so you need to press probably the blue button that shows up there for you. So once you do that, another screen will likely pop up that says, do you give access to Google to have access to probably your Gmail and everything? Go ahead and hit allow, hit OK, because you want to add Flubaroo. So probably once you've clicked maybe 2 clicks, Flubaroo will then be added to your Google spreadsheet. So then you go up to add-ons. You only have to do that one time. So obviously I don't have to do that step anymore because I already have it installed. So once you've installed it, you can scroll down to Flubaroo, and you're going to want to click Enable Flubaroo in this sheet. And then you're going to hit OK and give it a few seconds, and now Flubaroo is going to be added. All right, so that is the very first step on how you need to add Flubaroo into your sheet. All right, the next video we'll talk about how to grade it and how to send students their grades.